Okay, this is just a quick video about this package that the SAMETOP folks just sent me. This is their adhesive mounts and spare parts. They sent this to me and paid for the item and the shipping so that I could do a quick video and give my thoughts on it. We're going to use my old Session as a test camera with this, and let's see what's inside the box. So we've got, I'll start out with these mounts. So we've got a couple of these curvy mounts here for a helmet. So those are very nice. Two of those. They have the regular 3M tape on them, which appear to be very good. Actually, there's three of those. So three of those. And here's another variation. So you could see the difference there. And it looks like this is a little bit flatter for a different type of surface. And you get three of those roundy ones. Okay. And then you get the part that I like, you get a couple extra screws. And these guys here, what I thought was interesting, so you've got a couple different angles here, right? You get two each of these, and you get a different angle for each of these a little bit. What I notice is nice is this particular one is more of a rubbery plastic. See how that gives there and doesn't crack? That is really nice because some of these other, this is another manufacturer, this might actually be a GoPro original. This really brittle plastic, after a while, it just breaks. And I've tried the baking soda solution on this, and you can see that that's not going to work for very long. So, hey, SAMETOP, if you have a bunch of these you want to send me, let me know, because I'm running low. So these GoPro original and some of the other manufacturers are using this really crappy brittle plastic. But it looks like the SAMETOP folks are using this more rubbery plastic, which is nice. But I did notice on this other variation here, it's still a little rubbery. It's a little bit more stiff. But I think it's essentially the same kind of plastic. And maybe that just gives you a little bit different view there of what they look like. So if I was going to put this on a camera and wanted to see how well this mounts, it goes right in, very easy, very nice, very nice. And I can pull this off and try the other one. So put this one on here, try this one. Whoop. I'm trying to do this while I'm looking at the camera that I'm filming with. Let's get on there a little bit. There we go. And that goes on nice. You don't want to over tighten it, but it's still, I think that will hold up pretty well. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with these. I will, it's still kind of chilly here today, so I haven't gotten my bike out, but these might work for helmet on the bike, or for other purposes. I'm thinking maybe in the car, if you want to put one of these on your windshield on the inside, just to have one there that's ready to go. Yeah, overall very high quality. Looks like these would fit. Now, while I was videotaping this, or getting ready to videotape, I actually broke one of my nodules in my arm here. But so this is again that brittle plastic that folks are using. If SAMETOP wants to make something like this that's a little bit more resilient, that'll be great. But here we could see this will fit in here, or should fit in here. Let's see here. This is the other one. So this may not be compatible. Let's see. Nope, gotta pull this up. There we go. All right. Gotta remember to pull this up. And then that would be ready to go. It's not going anywhere. And we can see one of the other ones here. Pull up your tab. and get it in there. Push this down, and it's quite tight. That's good. That's not going anywhere as long as your other end doesn't break like mine did today. But this is another manufacturer's arm that I've had for quite a while. Kind of bummed because it's my favorite arm. But so yeah, that's the SAMETOP stuff. All this stuff here you get, and it's pretty good. And thanks again for sending it over, guys and gals. And we'll catch you on the next one.